What's up, team?
How you guys
Oh, I
doing?
couldn't hear you. There we go.
All right. It's
They said,
weird. So the
I think you
sound
have to
didn't
turn
come
your
through
sound
from the
on.
intro. That's whatever. You
I
can't win
think
them
you got to
all.
turn your sound on.
Yeah, something. All right. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. So,
Eli, that
see.
Tesla drop put your port at 29% for the day, you monster. There you go, buddy. What do you guys think we're doing over here? We print.
Oh my, oh my, oh my. What's up, R. Magruder? What's going on? All right, so the market's been slow today.
It has been a little slow. I fucked around with some fun stuff on some spy moves, but other than that, it's just been kind of waiting things out to see when things are actually going to come back and give us some more clean moves.
Yeah. Someone asked about opinion on Sophie. Sophie. All right,
Dog shit.
let's.
Dog shit. What's this
Let-
thing at now? $6. Oh my god.
the move is there, though. I mean,
Yeah, it was.
the move is there. All right, moving along. Ritas are having a good day.
Oh, yes,
Algo.
they are.
Yes. Let's see. Do we get Algo on the horn, or do we get Andy on the horn?
Andy, I don't think can, but we could get
Okay.
Algo on for
Yeah,
some spicy Rita talk.
Yeah, we can do some spicy Rita talk. So, Algo, you're there, right? I'm gonna give you a call, Algo. Yeah, put on your underwears, bro. Gonna give you a ring.
Let's see. There goes
Right.
NVIDIA. Which way? Down? Oh, that traffic light on NVIDIA was killer. Jesus. Dude, there have been so many nasty traffic lights today. I feel bad for anybody not using them. Like, I genuinely feel bad for their portfolios. It's terrible. Like, these people are just not using the traffic lights, and they're like, what's happening to my money? It's like, well, we've been telling you. So,
Yeah, let's get into that really quick. I mean, you guys can see my screen here. You can't see the genie. Let me go ahead and expand this really quickly. All right, so in this situation, guys, we got the 1 minute, and they give you your traffic light to the downside. You do have a level. You got all three time intervals in agreement, right? So do we have momentum to break this? We certainly do. However, RSI way oversold on the one. So you got to go ahead and look at the three and understand what's happening on the three. And on the three, I'm pretty convinced as well that it's possibly oversold on the three, although it's in fact trending down. So let's go ahead and get some idea of what's happening here on the five. And you see through all time frames, RSI is really weak. We're seeing RSI somewhere at 36 on a 5. You see RSI 34, 31 on 34, 33 on the 3. And then really oversold here, right? We got a blue pill line here on the 1. Did it give you more than you deserve? I think so. So in this situation, if you played this to the put side, you probably are going to defend your profits at 239.76. Alternatively, you can play it to this blue pill line where you would go ahead and once again defend it and or close out your entire position. All right. I don't like that there are levels here with the RSI being so oversold. And you could see almost immediately you're getting price sensitivity to these levels. Let's go ahead and check out the 3 and the 5. Yeah, not really panning out so much on the 1. So you got the bulk of this move. You got the meat of the move to the downside. I would say go ahead, defend yourself at this level here at 239.75 and or fuck around and find out. That's all I really got for you at this time. Okay. So does that make sense? I really hope this makes sense to you guys because we do this every day and we really hope that this really catches on to you guys, right? Because we definitely take speculation out of it, right? It's just levels and crosses and traffic lights.
there's no need to speculate. We make it so fucking easy for everybody that, like, it's so hard to just fuck it up.
Nice. Look at that gain on the spy put. Way to go, T. Winston.
There you go, buddy.
All right. So, Alco, are you ready for that call?
Let's do it. Oh, this will be fun. Get some dirty Rita talk coming in here. I like that. Ooh, Gabe, those Tesla puts I was telling you about, those
Yeah.
are up. Those are up almost 7% now. Those are nice.
Ooh. Hi, just pooping in to say I love you. Love
Thanks,
you too,
Lori.
Lori.
Thanks for pooping in. We
Hey,
appreciate it.
Lori, I made you a legend in the earlier live stream.
That's
Uh,
I think Algo's ready for the call.
yes, he is. Algo, we're gonna ring you. Right. I'm gonna try to call you in my best
Envidia.
voice.
The market's pulling in STV and sharding itself. Hey, that's not funny. Up 176% on SPY right now. There you go, man. Woo!
Jesus Christ. That is filthy.
Yep. You guys are killing it, man. Again, everybody gets 90% off their first month. If you guys do need to upgrade to 3-year to get the streams that we're doing next week, reach out to Diana. She will help you guys upgrade. Oh, this Tesla knife is fun.
And we
Hey guys,
have
what's going on?
What's up, Algo?
on the line. What's going on, brother?
Alrighty. So the heavy allocation Rita, it ended the day at 4.18%. So that one had that new logic we were talking about.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right now the one that I really like is the conservative bot, which is the 7.5% scale out. That one is currently up 7.49% on the day right now.
She slaughtered
So
it
that one-
yesterday at 14%.
Yeah, she did.
And based on our logic, she's guaranteed to end the day in profit.
Yeah, she's guaranteed to have at least a 5.24% day.
Jesus.
Oh my God, guys. If you guys needed any more proof of concept of the things that we teach you every single day, that's Rita. It is Rita. You guys are all Rita. That is fucking awesome.
You guys are all Rita. Now, I mean, Algo, just for shits and giggles, obviously, we're not gonna share the secret sauce to her logic because you do have some people out there who are listening very closely and like, I want her. I want her.
Oh, I'm sure.
Yeah.
I'm sure we do.
It's okay. They won't be around for much longer.
As a programmer, how
Mhm.
close is Rita to our teachings?
Rita is extremely close to it. She follows all the rules. We do have some, custom rules in there with like risk management. But the rules that we have in place are all, rules that you would learn by watching the curriculum videos and watching the master classes.
Okay.
So just for everybody that's filtering in right now, Algo, can you go over the Ritas again? Just because I like hearing it. What are they at today?
All right. So the one that's up the most, that was up like 14% yesterday, is currently at 7.49%. The Rita that does the heavy allocation, the one that is kind of a degenerate, that one ended the day already at 4.18 due to our logic for the stop. So it guaranteed itself 4.18% day overall port. The original Rita, before we started making some changes, the one that is kind of like the base Rita that doesn't start putting stops until 10%. That one is currently up 3.54% on the day.
Okay.
Not bad.
Not bad. Not bad. So, guys, what we essentially do is, again, we test out proof of concept, right? And basically we put the trading strategy in a vacuum, if you will, right? And there are no emotions. It's follow the rules. It's defend your profits. It's all that stuff. And you guys are, in fact, Rita. Ryan, I think you're reverse Rita. Ryan Marshall.
Ryan's hesitation, Rita.
Yeah. Ryan's hesitation, Rita. And Ryan, this stream is for someone like you because, again, you got to follow the rules and trust in the system. Like, okay, so I'll go. This is the next question.
Yeah.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
In the past 2 weeks, we've been running Rita for 2 weeks, correct? At or about?
Yeah, about 2 to 3. Yeah.
All right. How many times did she require human intervention?
The only times that she required human intervention is when there was a bug within, whether, it divided by, it didn't do division correctly, or whether the application crashed. But those like 2 times. But it wasn't actually affecting her trades or anything like that. It was just the program just needed to be restarted.
So 3 weeks, 2 times,
Yeah.
bug
Everything else was
fixed.
autonomously, including the trades. Yeah.
And it didn't even affect the trades.
That's really, 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 really freaking sweet. All right. I love that. I love that. I love the fact that we're able to prove out concept, guys. You all are Ritas, as is to be said.
Mhm.
Um, okay, I'll go. So, of the iterations, we have one up over 7%. The 10% scale out is up how much?
I think it's 3.5,
That one was like
3.8.
3.4, 3.5. Let me look. Yeah, 3.49.
Okay. Okay.
Not bad.
Not bad. Not bad. Heavy allocation called it a day, right?
Yeah, heavy
4.
allocation. Yeah, at 4.18 due to our logic, it stopped at that point.
Okay. Okay. So guys, I want you guys to really, really understand what this means, right? So all Ritas are in fact up, right? And all of these Ritas play the traffic lights, but in a different way, right? Now, all of these Ritas have varying win percentages, which brings me to my next question. Algo, the scale out Ritas, both the 7.5 and the 10, uh, are you able to extract win percentages right now?
Not right now during the day. I have to wait till the end, and then I can calculate out how many
Yeah,
wins
but
versus losses. Because
tell
there's a
them what
lot
it
of
was at
trades.
yesterday. Tell them what the win rate was yesterday.
Oh yeah. Yesterday the win rate was 84%.
Okay.
Yeah. If anybody's
Alright.
questioned the system and what we do here at this point, you might have something wrong with your brain.
You definitely will have something. Do have something wrong with your brain. Okay. All right. So these Ritas have varying degree of like win percentages, efficiency, et cetera, right? But we see that they're still ending the day profitable. So Algo, I think,
Yeah.
what do you think is the common denominator? Obviously, myself and STB know the answer to this, right? What is the common denominator between all three Ritas that allow them to end up the days in profit?
Well, I think the main thing is how tight they keep their losses. So the losses are kept tight, but then runners are allowed to let run. So that's something that we have built into this. That even if it has like a 40% win rate, the losses are so extremely small that the winners are going to outweigh the losses. So you could lose 60% of your trades and have your losses be super, super tiny and tight, especially on the 1 minute. And the other 40% of your trades that are going to be runners, you could be up, 5-10% on the day if you just keep your losses tight and have good risk management.
Okay.
That's what it was. You said it.
Risk management.
Risk
It was
management.
risk management. So this brings me to my point and something that I want to share with the community. So remember I talked about this on the live stream and I first mentioned it yesterday and I mentioned it today, right? It's, you know, you're going to win and lose. You're not going to win every trade, right? But you can always 100% of the time practice risk management.
Mm-hmm.
And you do not know how much power you have and how much control you have over your financial future if you focus on that risk management because the lights are going to do it for you,
Mm-hmm.
right? They're going to do it for you. It's up to you to manage the risk 100% of the time and never freaking question it. I'll go, am I right or am I not? Am I right?
Yeah,
Please.
yeah, that's exactly it. How the bots are so successful is you manage your risk incredibly tight. I mean, you get a traffic light in the other direction, you don't hang in the one you're currently in. You know,
Okay.
Exactly.
you jump on the new wave.
So you
That's right.
guys, everybody that's listening to this right now, we've programmed the things that we teach you into Rita. Rita has success. Okay. Make sure you're listening up to all those curriculum videos that we give you guys in the live streams that we're doing for you, because this shit works.
It works. It works. I'll go.
Yep, and make sure you guys join the masterclass too, because those are fire.
Thank you. I'll go. Those have been we've been receiving a lot of good feedback from those.
Yes, yes, and I think maybe this week's masterclass we are going to talk about risk management
Mhm.
on the 1 minute, so that you guys can play exactly the way Rita does.
Mm-hmm.
Right? You don't need Rita. You guys are Rita. We've given you Rita.
Mm-hmm.
All we do is use Rita to prove out the strategy. Period. Okay. So I'll go, man, thanks for taking this phone call. We're going to get back to the charge, brother, and we'll talk to you later.
Thank you. I'll go. I can't wait to see
Anytime,
what
you guys take care.
these Ritas end up today. I think they're gonna be good.
Oh yeah, I'm hoping for another 14% day, but we'll see what happens.
I love that we can sit here and just fucking say that, dude. Oh yeah, I'm hoping for another 15% day out of our fucking algorithm. We can just sit here and do nothing. It's so fucking cool.
No, actually, this actually brings up a very, very, very interesting point, right? For considering the allocations that we put in these plays and what we teach you guys, right?
Mhm.
And for the port to be up 14%, right?
Mm-hmm.
What did that mean? Like at least 10 plays have to go up 140%. You
No,
just think
one.
about the
Just
mathematics.
one play.
Well, one play. Yeah. One play to go up 140%. Not that that's what we do.
No,
because we don't.
Some of them hit like 30 or 40. I've seen some 30 or 40%ers out of Rita, but guys, it's just base hits.
Yeah.
Mike D says the Speed Racer is fun, dude. Speed Racer is cool to watch.
Yes, yes. Man, I'll go. Okay, we will touch base with you this afternoon, bro.
All right, catch you later.
Take it
Later, I'll go.
Later. Okay, so a couple of things here. First off, you don't want to fuck around and find out.
Nope.
Link just popped up in the chat there. You could also use the QR code here, trade1348.com. Get your first month for $5. I'm not going on record with that one. Gabe said first 5 months.
No, guys, if you aren't in there with us yet, I mean, guys, you see how well the system works. Hop in for $5 your first month. I think it comes out to like what is it, like 17 cents a day or something. And for those of you guys that want to be there for the masterclass this weekend, we'll do a little bit of some more Rita stuff with you guys. So again, just reach out to Diana if you want to hop in on 3-year. Well, once you do that too, we will send you Speed Racer as well.
All right. So guys, we're going to do a little exercise. Make sure you follow that link, trade1348.com. Also, again, you want access to the masterclass. You want access to the Speed Racers on the 1, 3, and 5 as they are out right now. Reach out to Diana, make it happen. It's $37 a month. Not that we're charging you $37 a month. We are saying over
That's what it comes out
the
to.
course of 3 years, it comes out to $37 a month. It's an absolute steal, guys. We are super, super cheap, but as they say, supply and demand, right?
Yeah,
I remember there was a point in time where Champion sweatpants were going for like $9.99.
Yeah, not anymore.
No.
Not anymore.
Right?
They're upcharging the fuck out of those.
But I want to do a little exercise with the guys, and this is so you guys can see the power of what we do, the power of the charts, and the power of the traffic lights here, right? So what I want you guys to do as an exercise, and I want answers in market talk tonight. Okay? This is what I want you to do. I want you to go ahead, right? I want you to take each and every traffic light, and I want you to take the measurement tool, right? And I want you to play it traffic light to traffic light, right? So if you were, let's say, going on a call position, but ended up closing down here, go ahead and take this measurement all the way down to the wick, right? Because this traffic light corrected you, okay? I want you to do that. Then what I want you to do is go ahead and take that measurement as well of you changing the direction of your position, okay, down to a level. And I want you guys to do this with all the traffic lights up and down, changing direction of your position. Take it up. You got a reversal. Take it down. Measure it. Okay. I want you to measure even these tight, very, very tight ones, right? You see 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Very, very tight stuff here, right? I want you guys to do that. And then at the end of the day, right? I want you to tally it all up. Right? And each and every day you're going to see that you always end up positive.
Mm-hmm.
As long as you go traffic light to traffic light. If you get a traffic light going against you, change your position direction. If it changes once again, change your position direction once again. But before you guys even commit to that, do that. What?
One of the bots is up 19.5% in 2 days. That's what do you call it? That's the conservative one.
Conservative.
It should be. I'm pretty sure that's the conservative one.
That is the conservative one. Mm-hmm. How old is that bot? These bots have been running, getting tweaked and retweaked, and again,
for like
3 weeks. 3 weeks. And
we're gonna let them run for a little bit, then we're gonna go nuts with them.
Yeah. So what's essentially happening here is every single day we go ahead and we look at the logic, we look at the code. We try not to change much from baseline Rita, but we say, okay, is this bot acting like what we're teaching? And each and every day we get her closer and closer to what we're teaching. Mm-hmm. And again, the secret to her success is if you get a traffic light to the upside, if you see a level, take the money before it comes back to the next traffic light. Although the next traffic light is going to go ahead and print for you, like you're still going to print from traffic light to traffic light, you actually get to maximize your earnings if you go up into a level. Mm-hmm. And close that position. So I want you guys to do that. That is your homework. Traffic light to traffic light to traffic light to traffic light, and see if you end up net positive. I promise you, you will. Mm-hmm. And then that's when STB and myself go on fucking vacation, because we've been trying to teach this shit out like for the better portion of 2 years.
We'll take a week off or something.
Yeah, something.
We'll get
like
a week.
But what Rita does, it's a traffic light. She doesn't ask questions. She does not ask questions.
She doesn't try to fucking use head and shoulder bullshit that I see you guys bring into the fucking chat all the time. No. Stop trying to. She doesn't ask, oh, should I do this on the 10-minute now? No. Should I try the 30-minute? No.
No.
Rita listens to exactly what we teach you guys, and it fucking prints. Same thing as we try to teach you guys every single day. You got to be teachable.
That's it. There you go. Look at, again, Algo said it. If she gets a new light, she exits and re-enters. Mm-hmm. Right. Mm-hmm. Let's see. The only head and shoulders I'm interested is from that one dude's wife.
What? Oh. Oh boy.
Well, Pepe, if it was my ex who had no neck, it's more than head, shoulders. She's just gonna slide right into fucking ankles.
Why would you date a girl with no neck? Why would you do that? Well, you were just sitting there like, oh, it seems like a good idea.
It's supposed to stop at the neck. No, she has no neck. It's ankles. Oh, man. Back to the upside now. So Rita exits on the next light. Orlando Mendoza, yes.
Yeah,
she exits and re-enters.
It's the same thing that we've been going over with you guys week after week in the master classes. Again, it's not things that you guys have never heard before. It's things that we teach you guys every single day. So again, hop in there, man. Get your first month for 93% off. Or get led to the slaughter by people who are frauds. But, you know, it's what it is.
STV?
Don't do it. Don't do it. I will dance around it.
Shut
Don't fucking
your
start.
fucking mouth. We're not doing this right now. We're not doing this right
I know.
now.
Okay. Yeah. Ivan and Andy, if you're watching, I don't want to see any messages from you.
Oh, man. Orlando Mendoza says, thanks, guys. Yes. No neck frauds. Yeah, there you go. Okay, so let's go ahead and keep an eye on the spy here. This is just really simple.
Slow movement back. Tessie actually looks better than the spy here. Tessie's got a traffic light screaming back up a little. Let's see.
I also want to make Captain Obvious the most obvious. You ready, STV?
Yeah.
So Rita trades blind.
Mhm.
Rita practices risk management. Right? Rita doesn't look at levels.
Nope.
Right? She practices risk management. Right? Okay. Imagine this, STV. There you go, Algo. Thank you for confirming that. Rita is fucking Helen Keller. Just flying. Right.
We should have named her Helen.
Should have named her Helen.
Well, when we put Rita into production, we should call her Helen.
Yes, Helen.
We'll call her Helen.
This is fucking epic. Right.
Yeah.
So, guys, what I want to show you, 1 minute speed racers. This is how simple it gets. Right. Just watch this. Right. You guys, these tickers, you could literally. This is Rita. Rita's like, okay, let's go to point of origin. Tesla up. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and take Tesla up until I get another alert that Tesla is going down. All right, change direction. I'm going to fuck around with Tesla until I get another Tesla up. Okay, cool. Right here, change direction. Right? I'm going to take Tesla up until I get another indication of Tesla down. Cool.
Mm-hmm. Well, look at the prices on them.
Change direction.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Look at the prices. Right? So now we got Tesla. So now we're going to play Tesla down until we get a Tesla up. Look at this price from here. Tesla down at 182.33. Your next alert at Tesla up is 181.67. This is a profitable trade. Now you got to change your direction. Tesla, right? Then you get Tesla down. Cool. You see how tight that stop is? Let's go to Tesla up. 181.67 to Tesla down 181.35. That's hardly a move. Okay. Then we go ahead and we're taking Tesla down until we take Tesla up at 181.54. Again, two trades that were probably losses because you were on the wrong side of that trade. Right? But you're playing super tight, right? Then you got the Tesla up to a Tesla down, right? Again, super tight to a Tesla up. Or excuse me, Tesla down again, 181.12. This here is where we at right now? Tesla 178.90 on the cross up. So that last cross down up until this cross up here in Tesla, it wait, not this cross down. Let's see, the one previous to that was like 181. The fact is, we could go to the chart and actually look at this, right? So here we go. We got Tesla on the one. You could see this. This is your visual, right?
That's
cross up,
City.
right? Hits a level, gets stopped. Cross down, find support, bounces back up, right? And it gets caught in this chop. That is absolutely fine because you make money here. You get caught in chop here. You get the right direction. You make money here. You get the right direction. You make money here. You get the right direction, you make money here. You get the right direction, you make money here. You don't, guys, do not be afraid of getting chopped up, right? Because this thing is taking care of you so freaking well. We literally remove any thought out of it, or we remove any amount of second guessing that's involved in these trades, right? Am I making myself clear?
And Chris, I think the last red day Rita had was right before we added the protect the port logic to it.
Yeah.
That's why we made the protect the port logic to it, because it had a red day when it was wildly green at one point. So we were like, oh, that's stupid. I think that day it might have been down 5. It has a kill switch at like 3.5. So even if it does have a red day, this is probably production Rita that we have right now. The only time that we reset things is when something gets fucked up. It usually doesn't have to do with the trading. It usually has to do with like confusion between them. So we'll reset them back down. Like when we just reset them, they were all big green. We just reset them because we needed to see the comparison between where they were at in terms of dollar amounts, not percentages, because the percentages were all different and they started at different times. So once we added in the protect the port logic, we just said, okay, even though they're green, we don't care. We're just going to reset them back in so we can see the data, then go from there. But now that it has protect the, I don't think any of them have had a red day since protect the port.
I like this. The fuck you think we've been talking about forever?
Almost like we say these things for a reason.
You could catch 2 big moves between 9:30 and 10:30, 11 o'clock, and just be done. Be done. This is wild, right? Lunchtime is sleepy. Absolutely. So, if you guys feel like this is pissy clear, crystal clear, like crystal clear Pepsi. You ever had that, by the way, STV? Crystal clear Pepsi?
I have not, no. I do like Pepsi better than Coke, though.
I would second that. I would second that. Yeah, I agree. No, but crystal clear Pepsi. Go ahead and try to find one. It's sort of kind of like fucks with your head a little bit because it's perfectly clear. It tastes just like Pepsi.
That's kind of weird.
Yeah, it is.
What's wrong with you? Me, Andy?
No, he
What
likes
did I
Coke,
do?
I think. I think he likes
Coke.
Coke.
About the Coke thing? Okay, Pepsi's better than Coke. I don't want to fucking hear it.
Pepsi's always won the Pepsi challenge.
Wait, they should, if it's their challenge, they should win, but I don't know what the...
Exactly. I was just going to say that. I mean, like... okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to go ahead, right? I want you to go ahead and, this QR code is going to pop right up. It's going to cost you $5, right? And the thing is these $5 are literally going to change your life, right? And the thing is like some people will say like, oh, I'm paying $69 for alerts. Like, no. You're paying $69 a month for a proven system that has been built out to damn near perfection. Right? The only variable here is your belief in the system. That's it. And let's go ahead and take a look. The 10% stop girl just ended her day at 2.6. No human intervention.
Boom. So the conservative one's actually nailing it.
Conservative? Yeah. Conservative Rita is definitely.
It's still running. I'll go, what's that at? Because it was up 7. So it's guaranteed 4.
Yeah. Shit, Bacardi and Shasta is still better than Pepsi.
I don't drink rum.
7.8.
7. Jesus. Jesus. Rita. I love her.
But ladies and gentlemen, this could be you too.
Exactly. It literally just follows what we teach you guys every single day.
Also, you guys gain access to her spreadsheet once Algo drops them. I'll make sure I'll go ahead and drop it into the community later so you guys could actually see her trades.
Yeah.
And you'll see her entries, which will be a traffic light, and you'll see her exits, which will be a traffic light.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Oh. Think about this, guys. Here's what I want you guys to think about too. And this is okay. We're about to drop some big knowledge on you guys here. So,
we'll do it.
There are a couple of things that you need in order to have a very profitable trading strategy. One, it works and it gives you some sort of edge. So you can check that off with traffic lights with the risk management. Two, it's back testable.
Mm-hmm.
And repeatable. Because it's back testable and you can look for the same setups, it then means that you can then replicate it and exploit this edge in the market every single day.
Mm-hmm.
I would challenge a lot of other people out there that are just trading with some other nonsense out there to code whatever they have into an algorithm, whatever their strategy is, and see how it does. It'll be fucking terrible.
Mm-hmm.
The reason why our stuff is so successful is because we've shown you it has an edge. It's back testable, which also means you can then repeat it. So then Rita just comes in, looks for the same things every single day, just like all of you guys do too, and it just cycles it in and out. It doesn't give a fuck what the market's doing. It doesn't need to understand where some weird fucking magical wizard level is. It doesn't care. So when we say to you guys, all that other stuff is bullshit, and you guys should probably listen to the things that we tell you every single day, because Rita's over here hitting 7 and 2% days, hit a 14% day yesterday. We might be onto something here. I don't fucking know. But like, guys, you gotta listen. So the QR code's over here. Make sure you guys hop in. I mean, you know it works.
You know it works. If you guys feel like I'm ready to follow the rules, I'm ready to trust Rita. If you guys feel that way, right? Start using her today. Upgrade to 1348 for the 3-year. You're going to gain access to her today so that tomorrow can be a profitable trading day for you.
Speed Racer?
3 years. They gain it, right? They get it. Lifetime.
Yeah, they get Speed Racer 2 weeks before everybody else.
Yeah. In those 2 weeks, you guys play Rita. You follow the rules. Traffic light to traffic light to traffic light to traffic light. You do win. Also, I want to drive something. I'm gonna drive this home. Okay, I'm going to drive this home. A heavy allocation. She's done. Cool. This is by design. This is part of our testing, right? The conservative one is still running, right? Now, does that mean one is better than the other? No, it does not. They both make you money, right? But what it's proving out is that over time, whether you are playing for home runs or you're playing for base hits, over time, you are going to sort of kind of like even out, right? So it doesn't matter if you are going for the home runs or going for the base hits. What matters through every single variant of Rita is risk management.
Mm-hmm. And then I see a question here. Could it pass a prop firm evaluation? Yeah, it could. We would have to code it to like according to their rules. But here's the thing. We don't need a prop firm. And we don't need to then go trade by their rules. Our system works. Okay. Why do we need outside money to then go change it to then abide by their weird trailing drawdown rules? We don't need it. We'll just throw enough money into Rita and be perfectly good to go. If it works the way we have it set up, we're not going to then change it to then get capital that we don't need. We could just throw money into Rita.
One good trade wants to see the world burn. Check this out. Can it pass a prop firm evaluation? Hint, hint. Plenty of prop firms for the M&E futures market. E-minis can link TradeBot to TradeEvade. And
yeah, we can. We could do that if we wanted to.
But why do you want to make these prop firms money?
Well, we don't need theirs. That's the thing. We don't need their money.
No,
because then the thing I hate about prop firms and most of them is that trailing drawdown rule where let's say there's whatever money it is. Let's just say that your max trailing drawdown throughout the day is $5,000. If you make 4,000, that 5,000 moves up with you. So then you can, it's not like you're down. It like follows you up. So like Rita does that anyway, but we would have to tweak it to make sure that it's not going to just randomly do something stupid. Like if it goes up like 20% in a day, which it can do, and then comes back down to a certain amount, the prop firm will just kill it. And it's like, well, that's not what we care about.
Yeah. S2E. Sorting Sin 1348 starts their own prop firm. For
We've talked about that.
members.
We've talked about that before. Okay. 80%. Wait, hold on. You take 80% zero risk to you, taxes, ordinary income. Yeah, but if you traded it yourself, you'd have 60% of it as long-term gains, long-term capital gains versus short-term. Now, again, you might make more money using a prop firm, but again, we don't care. No. We don't need the prop firm's money.
Check this out. Check this out. I love doing this. I love numbers. I love math. I really love math. Right? Again, the Rita's on a tear. Yesterday, 14%. Today, 8%. What's the average of that?
It's like, what is 23? That? Like 11? I think it's around 11.
11 and a half.
Yeah, it's something like that.
Okay. Take $10,000. 11.5%. Financial freedom, 20,000.
It doubles in like probably like 10 days, 7 days.
7. You double your port in 7 trading days. Right.
Yeah.
In 13, you triple or 311% gains. Right. 15 trading days.
Mm-hmm.
You guys see what's happening here? Right? By virtue of compounding, the rate at which she achieves these type of returns become faster and faster. Compounding, the power of mathematics. She gets to a point where she's making $10,000 a day.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
You would just become the richest person alive very fast? No, you wouldn't. Rita will eventually hit a point where it cannot trade enough. It literally won't be able to get its hands on enough contracts. So there is a point with Rita where it no longer works. Do we know where that point is yet? No. But there is a point in terms of portfolio size where it just won't like be able to generate any types of these gains. And there's two things involved with it. So the first thing is that, one, you may not be able to get filled on all of these contracts. So entries and exits, you'll have slippage. It's just like what large institutional money will have to deal with. Just with Rita, it would be at a smaller scale because you're trading. So if you were to buy shares with it, you'd be fine. But if you were to trade options with it, it's a less liquid market. So you wouldn't be able to get in and out as fast. The second thing is that even if it were to be able to get filled at some point, again, just hypothetically, let's just, for example, that those were the types of gains that you were to get every single day. It won't, because it'll average out over time. Some days it'll lose. Some days it'll have big wins. Some days it'll make 1%. Who knows? But let's just say in hypotheticals that it runs up crazy. Okay, well, if you're taking $500,000 positions on a stock and a thing on an option that expires this week, you're moving the market, which we would not do. So it would be there is a point in which Rita is going to slow, but I mean, we're not going to hit that point for a while. So
yeah. I actually have a friend in my group, older gentleman. I've mentioned my mysterious group of other friends. These are older guys. These are really, really deep pocket kind of guys, right? And they literally use like $1 million to $2 million a day spread across tickers like Apple, and they're playing with shares with Apple, the Nvidias, et cetera, right? You'd be amazed at how fast you could literally just allocate all your funds with very expensive tickers like that, right? But their goal is for that million or two to make them between 10 and 15,000 a day. And that's how they play. That's all they do. Like, and if you think about it, I mean, the more money you have, the more money you're gonna make.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see this bloodbath. What's going
Ooh,
on?
I gotta go soon too. I just realized I got 3 minutes.
Ooh, he's got to go 3 minutes. Drop your link in the market. Let's get number.
Oh, I'll throw it in here first.
Yeah. There you go. We are currently not trading because we're on the stream.
Yeah.
But
I mean, I have trades open, but I'm not actively doing anything with it.
and we can't share with you our trades until we're actually done with them.
Exactly.
Yeah. Hey, STV, did you get my my text this morning?
I did. I thought I was having a great day, and then you fucking come in here.
Love you,
Asshole.
bro. Hey guys, we're out of here. Go follow this kid. Make sure you
Let's do
sign
it.
up for trade1348.com. First month, $5. $5, please. $5 now. You want
and then reach out to
dumplings?
Diana for 3 year if you guys do want to upgrade. We've got a great masterclass for you guys this weekend, and then the private streams start next week.
There you go. Now, also, yeah, reach out to Diana. That's it. I'm done. Go follow this kid. Peace.
Peace.